Hey guys, this week's video is all about baseboards and mounting this tub. We are continuing to finish our master bathroom and master bedroom and are super close. You guys are a couple weeks behind reality, so maybe we'll give you a little sneak preview here real fast. So we are almost at 1,000 subscribers, which is kind of a big mile mark, kind of a big deal for YouTube and our channel. So thank you guys so much for liking and subscribing. If you haven't yet, please do so. It helps us out a ton, and hope you enjoy.
I'm Sarah, and this is Travis. We've moved 7 times in the last 6 years and are currently renovating our 3rd house with our 3 boys and our Old English sheepdog. Follow along as we renovate our house and raise our boys. That's him. Subscribe and join us on our next adventure.
Doing baseboards.
Finally.
Yeah, Sarah's been on me for months to do baseboards. Trying to get me to stop doing tile to do baseboards for some reason. Yeah, not much to baseboards. Measure and cut.
And you do what kind of cut is this in the corner?
45-degree angle. So I have 16 footers, which is the longest I could get from Home Depot. The wall's longer than 16 foot, so I did a full piece, and then I mitered both seams. So that when I put this together, I will glue and nail this, and then I'll caulk and putty it if I need to with wood putty, wood filler. And that seam will be hidden completely. And the wood glue is pretty important there so that it never, as it flexes and stuff, it never cracks. So some really good flexible caulk and some wood glue and a couple nails shot. We'll make that disappear.
Okay, show me your paint clothes. Woo! Tell me what we're doing today.
We're painting the baseboard.
Whoa, look at all these baseboards. You think we're going to be able to get it done?
Yeah.
You think so?
Uh-huh.
Okay, let's go mix up some paint.
Okay.
Okay, that's probably perfect. Max, where's everybody else today?
I'm at school.
Yeah, Sawyer and Lincoln are at school and Daddy's at work, huh?
Yeah. Oh my goodness, Dad.
Good job. Well, we did it. We finished painting all the baseboards before we had to come pick up Lincoln from school.
Yeah.
Good job, Max.
Good job, Mommy.
What I'm doing right now is just adjusting the feet
Okay.
so that this will sit nice and flat. And
then after you adjust the feet, you just have to connect the pipe. Is that all?
Yeah.
Okay. What are you doing now?
Now I have to do the actual plumbing.
Oh, okay. So I didn't get it on video, but Travis just adjusted all the feet. And it took quite a bit of work because it's hard to tell, like hard to get them the exact same. So he'd adjust it and then there would be a wobble, and then he'd adjust it again and there would still be a wobble, and then he'd have to adjust the back and the front. That was kind of a little bit of a pain. Do you have to do that with a regular tub?
No. You shim a regular tub.
Okay,
This
so you
one
still
has
have to level
adjustable
it,
feet.
but yeah,
Yeah.
okay. Was this one harder, do you think, than a regular tub?
No.
Okay.
No, for sure not.
Oh, really? That's
Yeah.
good.
So this is my new tool.
Oh, yeah, you just bought it?
I can't even remember what it's called. Internal PVC cutter. So because of this pipe I have over here, I can now put this in here and cut my pipe to the height I need it.
Oh, cool.
Yeah.
Because otherwise you wouldn't have been able to cut it.
Otherwise I'd have to try and cut it from inside somehow. It would have been a nightmare. Or
Yeah.
I would have had to figure out what exact height I needed it before I ever did tile. And that would have been a guess. So
Did you know that there was this tool then?
yeah, I was planning on using this. I saw
Oh,
it in a
nice.
YouTube video, I just didn't have it. That was super slick. So for those who care, this is a soaker tub, and it is a freestanding tub, meaning you never caulk it or attach it down to the ground. It just is sitting on the ground. There's plumbing that holds it in place, but it is easily removable. Kind of a weird design. So that one is a cleaner. This one is the glue.
Okay, it scared me. That's crazy, you just like glue the pipes together.
Gluing the pipes together makes sense to me, but this next fitting, this one, there's a rubber seal in here, and so you lube up that brass fitting, and it just slips in there,
And it just sits there?
and it's just a tight rubber seal.
Oh, that is crazy. Yeah, that doesn't seem strong at all.
That's how it's made.
Okay, this is what the tub looks like all installed. We're so happy with it. Thanks you guys for watching this week, and we also wanted to give a shout out to our friend, William the Unknown. Thanks so much for following along with us, and we hope you have a great week.